riflescopes, red dots, mounts, and accessories. Nantong Rifle Optics has two manufacturing and research centers in Nantong City and Shanghai in China, covering land area 30,000 square meters with 25,000 square meters floor area, equipped with 8 production lines for precision manufacturing and 3 product-free workshops for optics assembly. Our manufacturing operation is equipped with dozens of CNCs, robot automatic machines, surface treatment facilities, testing equipment, as well as optical lens code processing. Nantong Rifle Optics has complete process for manufacturing from raw material inspection to delivery. We have now 480 employees working in the Nantong factory, and the professional team for designing ensures our designs keep up with world's market trends. Over 1 million riflescopes have been shipped to North America and Europe every year. We have utilized the latest tools in modern technology to develop some of the most innovative riflescopes with outstanding clarity, extreme precision, light gathering capabilities, and more unique features than any other riflescopes on today's market. When ordering optical products from Nantong Rifle Optics, you are getting newly designed products made from our controlled manufacturing processes, technical assistance, and customer support. Rifle Optics' mission is to promote a quality lifestyle for the hunting and shooting sports by offering innovative and solution-oriented accessories with complete concept delivery services to customers around the world. Innovation, quality, value, and service are the central themes for Rifle Optics. Nantong Rifle Optics is your first choice for OEM and ODM hunting and sports scope.